Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Nadine Speaks. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below to see this beautiful face on your feed. So today we are in a different space. We are in my kitchen, and that is because I am filming a Nadine Cooks. So I've done a Nadine Bakes and I made some yummy special treats, but today I thought I would do something different and take you along as I prepare dinner. So today I'm making one of my favorite things to make, which is chicken thighs with a mushroom wine Dijon mustard sauce and with yummy Brussels sprouts baked in the oven on the side. This is my first time doing this. I got the idea because I love watching Pioneer Woman and all the other shows on the Food Network, Addicted to Chopped, Beat Bobby Flay, every show pretty much on the Food Network, and I thought it would be cute to do my own little cooking show. So come along with me as I cook dinner. Let me know down below what else you want me to make, and let me know at home if you tried this. Follow me on Instagram, hit me up if you try this and you think it's yummy too, or you tried this and you have your own little spin on it. I'm curious to see what you add. So follow me along and keep watching for the fabulous food footage, and also a taste test at the end, so stick around. So first we're gonna preheat that oven to 400 degrees so we have that going while we prepare the chicken. Okay, so I put my chicken thighs out of the package into this bowl, and I'm just gonna season it with the tried and true salt, pepper, and garlic powder and a little bit of olive oil. And it should be noted that I don't measure anything. I just, use my Arabic intuition skills to know when that's enough salt, pepper, what have you. And you can always add more salt, so I just like to be a little bit light on the salt. And then we're going to finish it off with some ground pepper. And then we're gonna use our hands to mix it all together. Ooh, don't you love that sound? I know. So while this is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my Brussels sprouts. So to roast my Brussels sprouts, all I'm gonna do is be cutting them in half and then seasoning them a little bit. So get ready for the cutting time lapse. Here are my lovely Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna go ahead and season them with the same thing as my chicken thighs. So I'm gonna put some olive oil. You can just be free with this olive oil and make sure that you coat it really nice because you don't want your Brussels sprouts to be dry. Like I said before, I just use my Arabic intuition to spice it up. Pepper, and then finish it up with some salt. And with my lovey-dovey hands, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up, making sure that all the Brussels sprouts are coated in the lovely seasoning. And if you feel like they need more, go ahead and put more. If you don't think it's enough olive oil, put more, which I'm gonna do right now. A trick I like to do to see if it's well seasoned or not, I just go like this. to see if it's enough salt, and it is. So voila, I'm gonna go ahead and put these babies in the oven. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these yummy Brussels sprouts in the oven cam. So we're just gonna let them do their thing, roast in there for 20-25 minutes, or whenever they're a little bit soft but not too soft, because I like my vegetables al dente. Okay, so now that the vegetables are in the oven roasting, we're gonna go and start on the chicken thighs. So the first thing I do is I take out my handy dandy, what is this thing called again? Everyone's talking about it. My handy dandy cast iron skillet. Yes, the Pioneer woman made me buy one. So we're going to take these chicken thighs and we're gonna pan fry them, and then we're going to make our yummy decadent sauce. Okay, so now all the chicken thighs are browned and complete. I'm gonna start by making the sauce. We have all our chicken fat rendering right there, all the brown stuff. We got our fat drippings, as a Southern girl in me like to say. I went ahead and sliced up a whole package of mushrooms. I call it roughly sliced, as I just did whatever I wanted. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook that in the same pan as that I fried the chicken in. So we're gonna saute that up real nice. While those mushrooms go ahead and finish cooking, I'm going to do a little science. So I have these chicken bouillon powdered from Goya, and you just stir this powder into 2 cups, and right there you have 2 cups of chicken broth, or you can just use regular chicken broth, but I prefer these. And also in that concoction, I'm gonna put a little bit of flour just to thicken the sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this mixture over the mushrooms that are already browning. All right, and then also in that mixture, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And we're gonna mix that all together. So I went ahead and took the Brussels sprouts out of the oven. This is what they look like. They should be a little soft, but still al dente, and now they're ready to be served. And I just put all the chicken thighs back in the sauce so we can just steep a little bit more in the sauce, and we're almost ready to go. So I'm at the table and we're gonna do a taste test just to verify that this is edible and is yummy. So I got a piece of mushroom and chicken. So good, so juicy, so tender. 8 out of 10. Make it at home. Let me know if you do. And let's get one of these Brussels sprouts. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly brown. So if you try it at home or you do your own little take on it, let me know down below, and also hit me up on Instagram at Nadine Speaks and let me know if you made this also. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that like button if you like me cooking and trying new things on camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!